reservation 定位 appetizer 前菜 Today's topic, dining in a restaurant. You'll learn 35 commonly used words for dining in a restaurant, including the names of popular cuisines, making reservations, ordering, and getting the bill. A casual dialogue demonstrating the natural usage of these phrases. Note: you will notice some differences between the pronunciation and the pinyin on the screen due to the tone change rules in Mandarin Chinese. To learn more about these rules to better understand spoken Chinese, check out the free PDF in the description box down below. Restaurant 餐厅 餐厅 Chef 主厨主厨 French cuisine French style cuisine 法国菜法式料理法国菜法式料理 Italian cuisine Italian style cuisine 意大利菜意式料理意大利菜意式料理 Thai cuisine Thai style cuisine 泰国菜泰式料理泰国菜泰式料理 Chinese cuisine Chinese style cuisine 中国菜中式料理中国菜中式料理 Western cuisine Western style cuisine 西餐西式料理西餐西式料理 Make reservation 定位定位 Fully booked 客满客满 No seats available 没有位子没有位子 What time? 7 o'clock 几点7点几点7点 How many people? 2 people 几位2位几位2位 Bar 吧台吧台 By the window 靠窗靠窗 Waiter Waitress 服务员服务员 Waiter Waitress 服务生服务人员服务生服务人员 Order 点餐点餐 Menu 菜单菜单 Drinks menu 酒单酒单 Specialty dish 特色菜特色菜 Recommended dish 推荐菜推荐菜 appetizer 前菜前菜 main course 主菜主菜 side dish 配菜配菜 dessert 甜点甜点 beverage 饮料饮料 alcohol 酒酒 sparkling water 气泡水气泡水 mineral water 矿泉水矿泉水 still water 一般的水一般的水没有气泡的水没有气泡的水 napkin 餐巾餐巾 paper napkin 餐巾纸餐巾纸 check pay the bill 买单买单 check pay the bill 结账结账 pay by credit card 刷卡刷卡 pay by cash 付现付现 dialogue Let's go out for dinner tonight. What do you want to eat? 我们今天晚上出去吃吧。你想吃什么？我们今天晚上出去吃吧。你想吃什么？ I want to eat Italian food. What do you think? 我想吃意大利菜。你觉得怎么样？我想吃意大利菜。你觉得怎么样？ Sure, I know a great Italian restaurant. Their chef is very famous. 好啊，我知道有一家很棒的意大利餐厅，他们的主厨很有名。好啊，我知道有一家很棒的意大利餐厅，他们的主厨很有名。Let's make a reservation first. This restaurant gets fully booked easily. 那我们先定位。这家餐厅很容易客满。那我们先定位。这家餐厅很容易客满。Okay, let me make the call. 好，我来打电话。好，我来打电话。Hello, I would like to make a reservation for 2 at 7 p.m. tonight. 你好，我想定位。今天晚上7点，2位。你好，我想定位。今天晚上7点，2位。No problem. Your reservation is confirmed. 没问题，已经帮您订好了。没问题，已经帮您订好了。Okay, thank you. 好的，谢谢。好的，谢谢。Arriving at a restaurant. Welcome. Do you have a reservation? 欢迎光临。 请问有定位吗？欢迎光临，请问有定位吗？ Yes, we have a reservation for 2 at 7 p.m. under Mr. Wang. 有的，我们订了7点的位子。王先生，2位。有的，我们订了7点的位子。王先生，2位。Please follow me. Here's your table by the window. 请跟我来。这边靠窗的位子。请跟我来。这边靠窗的位子。Here are the menu and the drink list. Please have a look. I will be back shortly to take your order. 这是菜单和酒单，您先看一下，我稍等过来帮您点餐。这是菜单和酒单，您先看一下，我稍等过来帮您点餐。What do you want to order? 你想点什么？你想点什么？ The appetizers all look good. Let's choose a few appetizers and one main course. 前菜看起来都很不错，我们选几个前菜，再选一个主菜。前菜看起来都很不错，我们选几个前菜，再选一个主菜。Okay, let's order the recommended dishes on the menu. 好，我们点菜单上的推荐菜吧。好，我们点菜单上的推荐菜吧。Hello, we are ready to order. 您好，可以点餐了。您好，可以点餐了。Sure, what would you like to order? 好的，请问您要点什么？好的，请问您要点什么？ We would like to order these recommended appetizers and the main course will be steak. 我们想点这几个推荐的前菜，然后主菜是牛排。我们想点这几个推荐的前菜，然后主菜是牛排。And also a bottle of sparkling water, please. 还要一瓶气泡水，谢谢。还要一瓶气泡水，谢谢。No problem. 没问题。没问题。After the meal. The food at this restaurant is really delicious. It's about time. Let's get a bill. 这家餐厅的菜真的很好吃。时间差不多了，结账吧。这家餐厅的菜真的很好吃。时间差不多了，结账吧。Okay. Hello, check please. 好，您好，买单。好，您好，买单。Hi, here's your bill. Would you like to pay by card or cash? 您好，这是您的账单，请问要刷卡还是付现？您好，这是您的账单，请问要刷卡还是付现？ By card, thank you. 刷卡，谢谢。刷卡，谢谢。Thank you for coming. We hope to see you again. 谢谢光临，欢迎下次再来。 谢谢光临，欢迎下次再来。